Hello students, good morning. Welcome to Antariksha Academy. Once again, we came here to learn an interesting and important chapter that is called phrasal verb. So phrasal verb, it is very used in author books, okay? So because it is a proper word, okay? And from proper word, it comes different meanings. So phrasal verb, it is a combination of 2 or 3 words from a different grammatical act. Okay, from different grammatical words. So it could be such as an adverb or an particle or a preposition. Okay, a verb and an adverb such as it includes particle and a preposition. Understood? So there are at least 10,000 of phrasal verbs which are used in books, writers, understood, also in the grammar part also. Okay, so there are at least 3 types of phrasal verbs, okay, that is called verb particle preposition and verb prepositions. Okay, so first of all we read about the verb preposition. So verb preposition means when the element of a phrasal verb which it includes head of full phrase and it contains as a prepositional phrasal phrases. Okay. So first of all, we will read some examples. So some examples are who is looking after the kids. So in verb preposition, only it contains about the only prepositions only. So first we read about who is looking after the kids. So here after is a preposition. After is a preposition that written in the kids. Then it comes they picked on nobody. So here on is preposition that phrases the nobody. Understood? Prepositional phrases. Next is comes she takes after her mother. So after is a preposition that gives a prepositional phrases to her mother. Understood? Next it comes verb particle. Okay? When we mix up this preposition and particle, then it comes to our verb particle preposition. Understood? So here verb particle means when an element of a particle is no longer or connected to a grammar without any prepositional phrases, okay, then it is called a verb particle. There is a disparate, okay, there is a divide. So you should think it over. Here over is a particle, not an preposition. Understood, no? Next it comes, where do they went to hang out? Here, out is a particle, not a preposition. Because we are reading here verb plus particle means in a sentence there is a verb and there should be use of particle. Understood? Next it comes, you should not give in so quickly. So here in this sentence, in is a particle, not a preposition, but it is used as our definition given, verb plus particle. Understood? Okay. This is both preposition and this is particle. Next is a mix of both it, that is called verb plus preposition plus particle. Yeah, we can call as particle plus preposition. Yeah, particle prepositional phrases we can call. Understood? So here, who can put up with that? Okay, so up is a particle, with is a preposition. Understood? Okay. Next, we loaded upon snacks. So here, up is a particle, on is preposition. So both are given in this example. Next it comes, she is looking forward to rest. So here, forward is a particle and to is a preposition. Okay. So by this two, from this making of word, verb plus preposition and verb plus particle, and we can make to this word verb plus preposition plus particle. Last one. Understood? Next. So we cannot read 10,000 of examples, or we cannot give some 10,000 examples. So some examples are pass away, means die. Understood? Next it comes turn down. if a person is rejecting you, it comes as a reject. Okay. Next it comes drop out. Drop out means leave. There is an example that you can leave the class, you can leave your home, you can leave the area. Next it comes pass off. Means a thing which have to happen in our future. Okay. Next it comes hold on. To wait for a short time. We are telling that in the middle says hold on please. Okay, this is a use. So this is the phrasal verbs. So hope you understand this topic and enjoyed very well, because this is very important in grammar part and in English. So thank you.